welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to change the league name, the Bundesliga name, to PSL. I've noticed that most of you guys are still playing Bundesliga with PSL teams. Their league name haven't changed yet. So in this video I'll show you how to change it. Play PSL. As you can see here, the name is Bundesliga. I'll show you how to change that. And also the league. So see, the league name is Bundesliga instead of PSL. Yeah, most of you are playing Bundesliga. So if you want to change it, press back on your phone, back, then press load state, yeah, and then will be done. The league name will change. You see now, it's PSL, no longer Bundesliga. And there are also those who say if they press load state, it says load state failed. So if you are facing this problem, please extract your PSL textures again and then load the state. I'm sure it will work. Yeah, I think that's what you should do. Yeah guys, I'm done. Yeah, now I'll play a game, Super Sports. I'll do Super Sports. I'll play against the best teams on this game. These are the best teams, Super Strikers and Evolution. Try playing with them. Super Strikers or Evolution. I'll play Evolution. These are the giants. They are strong. And play top player. See if you can beat them. Yeah. So yeah. Ice cream calling gasoline yeah, so if video is please subscribe subscribe press subscribe lapha ezansi ekhoneni right le button elibomvu lo mbhalo obomvu mfethu obhala subscribe press. Let me change the camera to normal and play so you can see.
If you're just starting out or haven't made the top of your field yet, you better get used to rejection. No great human being started from the bottom with the word yes being heard very often. Most people will not give you the time of day. Most people will not believe in you. Most people can't possibly understand what you're capable of. Most people will ignore you, but that's okay. Be so good they can't ignore you. Get so good at whatever you do that no one on this earth can look past you. If they need the best person for the job, who do they think of? They think of you. Master your craft, and no one will ever ignore you again.
Did they doubt you? Who cares? Be so good they look stupid doubting you. Did they talk behind your back? Who cares? They're behind you for a reason. And as long as you work, keep growing, stay focused, they will always be behind you. Did they ignore you? Good. It's time to grow. Grow so much they can't ignore you. Grow so much they need you. Grow so much you are the master, the leader in your field. Grow so much they come begging for your help.
Push yourself to become the person you are destined to become. If you want to get results you have never got before, you are going to have to do things you have never done before. You are going to have to do things you have never done before.
Learn everything you need to learn. Pay attention to what works and also pay attention to what doesn't work. Pay attention to what people want. Give more than anyone would ever expect. Work harder than anyone would think is possible for a human to work. Master your craft. Master everything to do with your craft. No one ignores the master. No one. The master is not ignored. The queen is not ignored. The king is not ignored. Become the leader of your field. Be so good they can't ignore you.
And you know what? Don't even do it for them. Do it for you. Grow for you. Become great for you. Compete against only yourself. Knowing you're becoming the greatest version of yourself, there's no greater motivation than that.
Seize the moment. You only get one. You gotta realize something. If you fall now, you might not get a second chance. So you gotta learn how to take advantage of every opportunity. See, people waiting for you to fall. They're waiting for you to give up. They feel if they give you an opportunity, you're gonna fail anyway. But in anything you do, you step in and you prepare like your life depends on it.
I am coming for everything they said I would never have. I won't be denied. I will not relent until my goal is achieved.
They can say what they like. They can reject me, ignore me, pretend I don't exist. I am focused on me, working on me, growing me, developing my skills. I am working on myself, for myself, by myself. And I am committed, like no other, to get the very best out of myself.